Do you dream of becoming a millionaire? Well, you should. If you already know what it takes to achieve that goal, why are you still sitting here? Let me give you some actionable insights to help you fast track your progress. But if you're stuck and unsure of where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. I once dreamed of a good life and a sustainable income. But along the way, I realized there's a whole ocean of opportunity beyond the comfortable little reef I was used to. It took me less than 2 years to hit my first financial goal, and that's when I discovered just how much more I could achieve if I kept pushing. The key? Start. If you follow these steps, I guarantee you'll be a millionaire in the next 10 years. Step 1. Move out of your hometown. This one's a game changer. Moving out isn't just about a change of scenery. It's about challenging the norms you've grown up with and stepping into new realities. But hold on, don't move out just because I said so. Only make the move when you can afford your basic needs. This isn't about adding problems, it's about solving them. If you can't afford it right now, start small. Save up and prepare for the leap. Leaving your hometown can be tough, but trust me, it'll be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Why? Because you're a product of what you've experienced, who you surround yourself with, what you've been taught, and most importantly, the limits of your current thinking. By putting yourself in a new environment, you'll unlock mental capacities you didn't even know you had. You'll meet new people, face new challenges, and experience new realities. This is how you grow, faster than ever before. Step 2. Connect with high-value people. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and are more successful than you. Here's how you can start. Take care of yourself. You don't need expensive suits or watches to impress. What you do need is clothes that fit well, a sharp haircut, and a fresh scent. Master communication skills. Speak less, listen more, and know when to chime in. Where do you meet high-value people? Attend conferences and seminars, hit the gym, network online. Remember, success rubs off. Comment below if you've got more ideas on where to meet successful people. Step 3. Work out 4 times a week. Your health is your wealth. If you can't commit to 40 minutes of exercise, how do you expect to stay disciplined enough to build wealth? Here's a simple workout plan to get you started. 300 push-ups, 30 reps times 10 sets, 200 squats, 20 reps times 10 sets, 2 minutes of planks, 1 minute times 2. If you enjoy sports, pick one and practice it. In 6 months, you'll not only look great, but you'll feel more energized and mentally sharp to tackle your goals. Step 4. Learn a high-income skill. This is crucial. It's never too late to learn a skill that pays. Here's what to do. Choose a skill. Coding, trading, e-commerce, or even building a YouTube channel are great options. Dive into YouTube. Find 10 to 20 channels teaching your chosen skill. Watch, learn, and practice daily. Repeat videos and keep refining your knowledge. No one starts as an expert. It's about learning, improving, and persisting. Treat this as if your life depends on it, because it does. In fact, a skill is 10 times more valuable than a degree. Step 5. Learn to invest. Start by investing in yourself. Eat healthy. Fuel your body and mind. Upgrade your bedding. Quality sleep matters. Treat yourself to a solo date. It's okay to enjoy life. Then, focus on courses, mentorship, and appreciating assets. Finally, open multiple income streams. Start small, but start now. That's it for today. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, do it like your life depends on it, because it does.